For the last 10 months or so, I've been tripping over a couple of these cardboard storage tubes that I use for holding all my conduit and other bits and pieces that I don't want to get rid of. So now that I've finished insulating the garage roof, I can do something with them. Quite a few years ago I made these simple wooden brackets to hold two storage tubes like so against the wall. Nothing complicated with them, it's just a piece of, I think it might be 3x2, a couple of lengths of wood, simple, bit of a bodge there, but simple joinery, lots of glue, shaped some profiles in some plywood that I had to hand, gave it a bit of style, if you can call it that. A few screws here and there, screwed the joints, and they've been absolutely fine. So why have they been on the floor for that long? Well, as you can see, there is one bracket still mounted to the wall here with two positions, and the other one used to be mounted above the cupboard over here. I had to take that off though before I was doing the work on the roof, the strengthening, the beam running along here, new joists to double up the existing joists, and also rerouting all of my electrics. That means now that I can't put the bracket back in its original position. So what I'm thinking is if I can lower this down slightly, I might then be able to get at least one tube running across and above the cupboard. Well, that was easier than I expected. So after a bit of measuring, I think the best option is actually to cut them in half. And that way I can position them better, and maybe I can use the other halves at some other future point if I've got another storage tube. So let's get them cut. So I reckon if I use the bottom section and mount them about 20mm lower, that should give me roughly the right height to optimise the space above the cupboard. Now there's only going to be one mounting hole, but it should be okay. It's not a huge amount of weight. We'll see. If it falls down, it falls down. Even though I say it myself, that's pretty good. Okay, I reckon about there. Make a mark on the wall. Now, it's not a perfect solution, I'll be the first one to admit to that. You know, if you need to get to these, I'm going to have to move some of the stuff on top of my cupboard. But I'm not accessing this on a daily basis. You know, it's once in a blue moon when I've got a project that I can make use of some of the stuff that's in here. But as I say, I don't want to throw it away, because you only have to then whiz off to Screwfix to buy more, and it's not very environmentally friendly anyway. But yeah, that's pretty good. I think I can live with that. Now the other two brackets, maybe I can find a position somewhere along this beam to give me another storage tube. But either way, at least I won't be tripping over this one anymore. So there you go, simple project for a Saturday afternoon, organising the garage workshop a little bit. Hope you found it of some use. As I say, these brackets were just something I cobbled together. I'm sure you could buy something that does the job if you don't feel inclined to make something yourself, but they were made out of scrap wood, so pretty easy to do, all told. Right then, thanks for watching. As I say, hope you found it of interest, and hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Cheers. But how do you remember what you've got without having to pull everything out of the tube again? Now, how best to reuse the old wood storage rack?